makeover, but I'm using different slimes this time because I know I use the Crazy Art ones a lot, the buckets, because I just love the texture. They're these Nickelodeon ones. I love the texture and I just like doing them because they always turn out so pretty and you can do so much stuff. But I'm gonna be using these ones this time, so it's gonna be a little bit more difficult and maybe I'll even fail. I don't know. But also we're gonna be doing a little iceberg in the beginning, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And let's get straight on into the video. Yo! Alrighty guys, so first we're gonna do this iceberg. This one was from a bucket makeover that I did. I don't remember, I don't know why. But anyways, it's an iceberg and so I decided I wanted to do it. So let's do this. I don't think it's very crunchy though. So yeah, let's do this. Wow, that was a fail. There is lots of crunches in this, so that's good. Whoa. This is nice. Well, the top wasn't very nice, but this part is very nice. Like, jeez. I guess that's it for this iceberg. Let's get on to the makeovers. Alright, first thing we do, guys, is this neon squishy like slime, oddly satisfying. This is like one of the best store-bought slimes. One of them. This is like one of the first ones that were kind of like the closest to homemade slime. Now it is Crazy Art. Crazy Art snatched that weave. But anyways, here it is. It's actually very nice. Very stretchy. But like it still feels like a store-bought slime, so it's very weird. Alright guys, so first, I don't know what I should do. I feel like we should add some lotion, but that's usually what I do for store-bought slimes, but this is actually pretty stretchy, so I don't know. What do you guys think? I feel like this would be cool as a jelly slime, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some yellow to the slime to make it green. So yeah, should add less. I hope it turns into like a bright green, not like a dark green. Sorry guys, my freaking table is doing some weird stuff. I don't know why, but the slime keeps sticking to it and it's so annoying. I know it's cringy, but I don't know what the heck to do. Anybody has any answers? Comment down below. Okay, so here is the slime. It reminds me of a gummy bear, like green apple gummy bear, I don't know. But now we're gonna go ahead and add our instant snow and make it a jelly slime. Okay, so we have our water right here. And we're gonna put some glitter in the water first. Alright, now we got some glitter. You guys see that? It looks so pretty. And then we're gonna put some iridescent glitter, of course, my favorite glitter. Add some gold glitter. Just a little bit. And now we're gonna shake it up. That looks so cool, guys. It looks like a snow globe. Okay, alright, we're gonna go ahead and put the snow now and hope that it, you know, works. Okay, we're just gonna be putting a little bit since it is a jelly slime. Oh, wow. Okay, that was, I think that was too much, guys. Okay, whatever, we'll work with it. Oh my gosh, it's still growing. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put the snow now. Just a little bit, and mix it in. Alright, well that is the slime now. I think we have to wait a little bit so that it becomes kind of like a jelly slime, but now we're gonna put some more glitter because I feel like we need some more. And yeah, okay, we're gonna put some more glitter, gold glitter. And then some silver glitter. Okay, now we're gonna put some of this silver glitter too. You know, we should like fill this thing up with glitter. I feel like it needs some extra pizzazz because the color isn't the best, to be honest. So we're just gonna put a lot of glitter in this one, guys. This is gonna be an interesting one. I've never seen a jelly slime with like a bunch of glitter, so I am excited. Here it is. Here's my slime makeover. I think it went pretty well, guys. I like it a lot. It's super glittery and it has a nice jelly texture. I think it actually got even stretchier too because of the snow. So if you guys have this slime and you want it to be stretchier, because I think sometimes they come a little hard, put some incense snow because it works fantastic. Okay, I cannot wait till this one will clear up because I don't know, I feel like it's gonna be so pretty. All right, well guys, let's get on to the next one. Okay guys, next we're gonna do is this orange soda slime one. So this one is gonna be definitely very difficult because it has a very store-bought slime texture. So it's gonna be difficult to make it like soft and like more, I don't know, like easier to kind of make it into a different slime, because like as you can see, it doesn't really fold together. Like this is one string, I'll go like that, and like you could still rip it apart. So yeah. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is add some hair gel, but I love how like this is clear. Like it's so pretty, and this is also scented. Okay, so we're gonna put some hair gel. Hopefully we could soften it up at least a little bit with some hair gel. I don't know. Alright, I think I am finally done, and it got a lot more gooey, but it didn't really get any more stretchy. Like, it is so weird. It's like the slime just kind of, what's it called? The slime just kind of soaked up all the hair gel, but it didn't really do anything. Like, it's very weird. Like, it's not any more pokey, not any more stretchy. I honestly have no idea what's going on. I'm gonna put a little bit more hair gel, and if that doesn't work, we're just gonna start giving it a makeover. By the way, guys, I got this hair gel from the dollar store. It's like one of my favorites. The other one I cannot find for some reason. I don't know why. All right, well, here it is. It kind of feels sticky, so I'm gonna add a little bit more activator, but it did get more stretchy. I think it doesn't really rip anymore, but it doesn't give any clicks. It's not very clicky or anything like that, or crunchy, but it is pretty nice. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit of activator. Hopefully that doesn't like activate it a lot. For the makeover, I was thinking we should do a like midnight sky type, because this is orange and I can't get it to any other color, otherwise it just turned brown. So I'm gonna make it black instead, and we're gonna put a bunch of glitter because it always looks so pretty. I haven't really done too many slimes like that. I did do one a while ago, but I don't know. I think it is good now. It's super dark and pitch black almost, and it looks amazing. I love it. Oh my gosh, it looks so cool. Alrighty guys, so I brought all my glitters. Like, I mean, I brought like a lot of glitters, guys. That's not all. I'm gonna be putting a lot of glitters in here. Okay, so first we're gonna put this neon extra fine glitter, this neon yellow extra fine glitter. I love it. Well, actually, I love all of these, so I'm gonna say I love it on all of them. Just a little warning. Okay, and then this extra fine blue glitter, this extra fine purple glitter. Oh my gosh, they all have like this iridescent tone to it, and it looks so pretty. Then we have this extra fine sea green glitter. Then we have this extra fine gold glitter. This one isn't like as pretty, but it's still very pretty. And this is the extra fine blush glitter, just pink basically, pastel pink. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay, extra fine bubblegum it says, so it's like a kind of magenta hot pink color. I'm gonna put it right here. This, I think that's it. But this extra fine cherry glitter, this is one of my favorite glitters because it's not like holographic, but it has like a dark red and a light red to it, and it's really weird, and I really love it. It's so pretty. So we're gonna put that. Oh my gosh, so gorgeous. Okay, and then this extra fine glitter right here, silver. As you can see, they're all the same brand. I love this brand. And then some iridescent glitter, of course. And I have to. Told you guys I was gonna be putting a lot of glitter in this one. And we're also gonna be putting these stars, these glitter star confetti thingies, because I mean, it's a midnight sky, so yeah. All right, here it is, guys. Now we're gonna mix it all together. Oh, it is so beautiful. Let's mix it. Oh my gosh. Wonder how it's gonna look. Is it gonna look like weird, or is it gonna be pretty? So far, it looks really pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, why haven't I done this before? It is gorgeous. Okay, I don't know if it's because the slime is like black, but like you can like see every color in here. Usually you can only see like two, or just it kind of just blends together, but this one you can actually see a lot of the colors except purple and pink. But it looks so freaking pretty, guys. This one is amazing. You guys comment down below which one is your favorite one, by the way. I feel like this one's gonna be my favorite because it is gorgeous. Talk about a glow up, guys. Okay, can we have a little before and after? I love it. Oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. Well, that is it for this makeover. This one went fantastic, a lot better than I expected. All right, let's get on to the next one. All right, guys, next we're gonna do is this Nickelodeon Crazy Art slime. This is a neon pink slime, and I know I've done these ones before, but I really want to do it again because, I mean, they're amazing, okay? Look at how nice and glossy. I I love this one, these Nickelodeon ones, because they are literally homemade slime. They are amazing. I love them, okay? They're so amazing. Like, I don't even, how, huh? Okay, anyway, so for this one, I think I'm gonna make it purple. So let me just, there we go. We got some purple right here. And I wish I could make it into a galaxy, but I just did a galaxy slime before this. So I think we have to do something else. And now I'm gonna add some pigment because I haven't had any pigment to any slime, so I'm gonna add some of that. Okay, we're gonna add some pigment. Perfect. And we're gonna add some glitters because why not? I have so many glitters. I have all my glitters here, so I don't know which one to do. I'm gonna do this gold one because it's actually really pretty. And we're gonna do purple one. Alrighty, and let's mix it. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be gorgeous. Oh, that looks beautiful, guys. It is perfect. Oh my gosh, look at how gorgeous it is. Okay, we are not done just yet, guys. We're gonna be adding a little bit of foam beads into this. I'm gonna be adding this mixture of purple, blue, and pink foam beads. And I mixed them myself because I made these foam beads myself, so that's why they're in this container. This is gonna be called Fairy Berry. I think that's pretty good. You guys get it? Fairy Berry. I thought it was pretty good. That is amazing. I don't know which one is my favorite now because the texture of this one is amazing. It's got the perfect amount of foam beads. The color is beautiful and it has a bunch of sparkles and it is gorgeous. It doesn't have enough sparkles, so I'm gonna put some more gold. Just a little bit more. And maybe some of this blue, you know? Okay, yes. This is so pretty, guys. Oh my gosh. It is amazing. Okay, well, that is it for this slime makeover. That one was pretty fast, I think. I love this one. Okay, you guys comment down below which one is your favorite. And let's get on to the next one. Alright, guys, next we're doing is this Flarp 1 pound mega Flarp. And yeah, so let's see. I don't know if we're gonna be able to do this because it is actually like kind of really hard. These 1 pound ones, I don't know why, because the smaller ones are like a lot softer. But anyways, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this because am I even gonna be able to soften it up? I don't know. That's not good. Okay, so here it is. It's very rippy, has a lot of, it seems like it has a lot of activator. Okay, so first we're gonna be adding a lot of lotion into this bad boy. Alrighty, and let's mix it. Okay, so I think we should add some more lotion. We added a lot, but I think we need some more, guys. This thing is rippy. Okay, so we're gonna add some more lotion. Let's mix that in. Pretty nice, am I right, guys? Okay, I think we're still gonna need to add even more lotion though. I know it's a lot, but like, it needs more, guys.
3 hours later.
Alrighty, here it is now. Didn't get that much softer, but I don't know, maybe it's just kind of like tense because I've been playing with it. But I don't know, what should we do now, guys? It's a lot softer. What color? I think we should make it into a more peachy color. I really want to see what will happen with that. And also, I was trying to make this into a butter slime, but it seems like it's way too hard still and it would not work. So what should we do, guys? I feel like we should either put instant snow because instant snow would melt it, or we should put foam. I don't know. Okay, so first I'm gonna try and change the color. I'm gonna try and change it to peach. Okay, we got some pink, add a bunch. Okay, this is hard to freaking mix, guys. All right, so here's the color of it. Now it is kind of like a salmon pink kind of color. It's kind of peachy. Okay, now what should we add? Should we add some instant snow? I feel like we should add some instant snow. How about we put it into a little piece first so we don't ruin the whole thing. All right, so we have this little piece. We're gonna add some instant snow, just like that. Oh wait, I have some already made instant snow. Why did I do that? Oopsies. Okay, we're gonna add this snow. I'm trying to make it like softer, guys, so I'm thinking maybe the instant snow can help with that. So we're just gonna knead that in. Maybe let it sit for a little bit. Doesn't seem like it's helping too well.
7 hours later.
Alrighty, guys, so I was waiting for this slime to kind of like soak up the instant snow, and it's still like, it soaked it up, but it's still like very rippy and like very dry and very bad. And I even added a little bit of water, but that didn't work still. But then I thought, what if I added just a little bit of white slime? And I did, and this is what happened. It is amazing, guys. Like, it has such a cool texture. It's like a store-bought cloud cream almost. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that because it worked very, very well. So, Okay, so we have our slime right here. And we're gonna add our instant snow. I'm just gonna add the whole thing with the glitters. Yes. And let's mix it. All right, I think we did a little bit more instant snow. Alrighty guys, so I got some water and there's still some glitter in there, so just excuse that. Okay, now we're gonna add our instant snow. I'm just gonna be adding a little bit. The more watery it is, the more soft it is. Oh my gosh, look at that. It looks like a slushy. Let's mix that in. This one, this snow is a lot more watery than the last snow, so yeah. Alrighty, so here it is now. It's kind of like, it's not as much as this one. Doesn't have as much snow as this one. Oh, look guys, this one's starting to get stretchier. Cool. Okay. Anyways, it's not as snowy as that one, but I'm just gonna go ahead and add the white slime now. Alrighty, so we have our slime base. It's very nice and glossy, by the way, guys. Very soft too. Okay, so let's mix that in. Hopefully this works like it did on the other one. Okay, we're gonna add some more because I think we need some more. That was very descriptive, guys. Okay, let's mix that all. Alright, so we decided we're gonna add a little bit more snow. Okay, so we're gonna put the snow like that. I'm gonna put the water on top. Perfecto. I think we need some more. There. Okay, we added more snow. I think it's getting softer too. I'm gonna add a little bit more white slime. Okay guys, this slime, I just realized became huge, guys. Oh my gosh. With all the slime, instant snow, and lotion we put in this thing, it became huge. Alright, I think it's finally done. It's a lot better now. It's kind of like a cloud cream, but like it's like a weird store-bought cloud cream, guys. Okay, now we're gonna add some sprinkles because I feel like sprinkles will look really cute on this thing. Oh my gosh, yes. I love sprinkles so much. Like, they are amazing, but I can't find them anywhere except like Wish, and yeah, that's the only place I get them. And we're gonna add some gold glitter, just a little bit because, I don't know. And of course, the iridescent glitter. Alrighty, let's mix. That's all I'm gonna mix, guys. I'm just gonna leave it like this forever because it is gorgeous. Okay, I'm just kidding, but guys, it is so pretty. Let's do this. This is so pretty. It looks like a princess cupcake or something. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous, guys. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. And you could see the little sprinkles so well. Sometimes you can't, they kind of just like are there for the top, but like you can see this so well and they look so pretty and I love them. Alright guys, I just want to show you really quick how big this slime got. Like, oh my gosh, it got huge. Alright, so here's how much the can comes with, and then here's how much we have left. Like, oh my gosh. Like, what? That's like two more of these containers, so like 3 times the size. I don't know guys, but this looks way better than what it was before. I think this one was a really good makeover, but I don't know. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you comment down Louise on part 2 and which one is your favorite. I don't know. I really love this Galaxy Fairy Berry one we made, and I love this Galaxy one, very glittery one we made, and I love this one a lot too. And where's the other one? And then we have this glittery jelly slime we made. This one, I don't like that much as the others, but you guys got all which is your favorite. And that is it. Thank you so much, and I hope I see you next time. Bye.